Hey science enthusiasts, welcome back to Scyflix. Today, we are diving into a fundamental concept in chemistry: chemical ions. From the simple table salt on our fries to complex biomolecules in our bodies, ions are everywhere. But where do they come from, and how do they shape the world around us? To understand ions, we first need to understand atoms. Every atom has a nucleus made of protons and neutrons with electrons whizzing around in a cloud. Protons are positively charged and neutrons are neutral. Under normal conditions, an atom has an equal number of protons and electrons, making it electrically neutral. But sometimes atoms don't stay neutral. They can gain or lose electrons, and when they do, they become ions. If an atom loses electrons, it ends up with more protons than electrons, giving it a positive charge. This type of ion is called a cation. On the other hand, if an atom gains electrons, it ends up with more electrons than protons, giving it a negative charge. This type of ion is called an anion. So, why do atoms become ions? It all comes down to stability. Most atoms are happiest when they have a full outer electron shell, like the noble gases. When an atom gains or loses electrons to achieve this stable arrangement, it often forms an ion. For instance, sodium has one electron in its outer shell. By losing it, sodium achieves the same stable arrangement as neon, a noble gas. Similarly, chlorine needs one more electron to fill its shell, so it easily grabs an electron and becomes a chlorine ion. When positive and negative ions form, they're naturally attracted to each other, just like opposite ends of a magnet. This attraction is called an ionic bond. For example, when sodium and chlorine come together, they form sodium chloride, or table salt. Ions aren't just in the lab, they are in every part of our lives. Sodium ions are essential for nerve function, potassium ions are crucial for muscle movement, calcium ions play a key role in heartbeat regulation, and chloride ions are important as well. Without ions, life as we know it would not exist. So, to recap, ions are atoms that have gained or lost electrons to become more stable. Positively charged ions are called cations, while negatively charged ones are anions. They form ionic bonds and are essential to both our bodies and countless materials around us. Thanks for watching Scyflix. If you enjoyed, please like, share, and subscribe for more interesting science videos.